As a customer, ano yung mga na-encounter mong problem sa shop?
Yun naman, since I'm in the more extreme side of of mountain biking, which is 4 cross and downhill. There are shops that don't have what I need sa bike. Like mga chain guide, bash guard. Yun pang extreme na which can which can cope up with the brutality of the sport. So yun, yun. Parang the problem is that there are only shops that could provide that
Ano yung magiging benefit kung magkakaroon ng shop? Anong benefit nun sa'yo as a customer?
online shop.
Mm.
Kasi you will be able to see what kasi you will be able to see what they carry. What if andun nga yung pang sport mo, kung andun yung mga ano, kung andun yung pang sport, kung andun yung mga kailangan mo. If the shop can supply you with what you